I could not stand to be in Curacao, to be with all this passion, smiling faces, and see a stiff audience. So I had to take them out of the comfort zone. I wanted to show them what is success. After being so many years lawyer and tax lawyer, I was a very successful man, but something was missing. What I miss is the interaction, the real connection with people. How can you make somebody who dream big to make him big? Because if you don't take action, you just dream. If you take action, dream come true. And people don't know it. You remember the story of Disney, those of you doing Disney. Disney died before Disney was open. So his son was opening it with a journalist. And then one of the journalists said to the son of Mr. Disney, "Oh, I'm so sorry your father couldn't see it." So the son of Disney said, "He see it before you could even dream about it." And this is what about it. It's about seeing where you want to be. And what you're going to be is just be authenticity, vulnerability, being yourself. I hope that your audience understand that every person sitting there is very unique. There's nobody in the world. I sit in 55 countries. Nobody in the world is like you. You're the only one person in the world. So if you shine with your authenticity, the world is yours. You can do everything you want.
You spoke about trust this morning. What is really trust?
Trust is such a human behavior, just connecting from deep in your heart to another person. I know in the business that I'm sitting in legal and industry and professional industry, people think that trust, all kind of emotional, is very cheesy, fluffy, you don't talk about it. People who know how to show caring, people who know how to show the other person, even with the eyes, not with the word. Look at somebody and show the care. These are the people who get the business. These are people who get automatically trust. So you don't have to work hard to invent trust. You don't even have to define it. As I quote to the audience, Warren Buffett said, trust is like air. If he's there, nobody noticing it. But if you don't have air, if it's done, everybody needs it. Same with trust.
Thank you, sir. I'm so glad I got an interview with you. Keep on going with the good work and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Maybe I say one thing to the audience. It's not the last time I'm here. I was here before, but we are coming probably in June. And we're going to have the Power Networking Bootcamp. It's 2.5 days with me. And if you want to change your life, if you want to really have a dream, you want to make it true, come over and you'll see what will happen to you. So keep in touch. You can talk to CNEX, you can talk to ADEC, and probably also the TV, because I will be in touch with them as well. And because I want to see you there. I want you to connect with me and feel it. Not just listen to me. Feel the energies. Feel the good energies I want to give you. And you'll understand why I do what I do.